touch your left side. Witness the genesis. Here, the apple becomes a promise.
Not just sweetness, structure, firmness, aroma.
The crisp snap you love begins with careful hands at first light.
We measure sweetness, so every batch stays consistent.
Firmness tells us the bite, snap, the freshness.
Deep brown seeds mean maturity is locked in.
Traceability starts here, before the apple ever leaves the tree. A quiet choreography, every motion designed to protect the fruit.
No drops, no bruises, just gentle placement again and again.
Every bruise becomes waste later, so we protect the apple now.
We slow time by keeping fruit cool, clean, and tracked.
Cold chain begins immediately, so the apple arrives as picked. Airflow lanes stay open. Every apple rides in stable cold.
No impacts, just steady travel, protected from minute one. Apple's journey continues, cold, clean, and counted. After harvest, apples keep breathing. We tag every bin, so each apple stays connected to its orchard.
So we slow time with careful handling and cold.
Every impact we prevent here protects flavor later.
Wrapped to reduce scuffs, dust, and shifting. Lot, crew, time, locked together.
Cold chain starts before loading, pre-cooled and checked.
Temperature and sanitation, verified every time.
Clean, cold, ready.
We load slowly to keep apples intact.
Air lanes stay open, so cold reaches every apple.
On the road, the mission is simple. Deliver apples with the same firmness and fragrance.
Next, our receiving gates.
This is the first gate of food safety. Before anything moves, we secure the truck.
Before apples touch a single conveyor, we verify the shipment.
Temperature logs, lot codes, dot, condition.
Order matters here, because safety.
Bruising, insect damage, rot, foreign material.
Nothing enters the line without a record.
We check bricks, acidity, and firmness again.
This factory runs on numbers, not assumptions.
Next, controlled unloading.
Designed to minimize impact, so fruit keeps its structure.
Not crashing, flowing.
Everything is tracked, from dock to line.
Speed with accountability.
First gate passed. Now we clean and prepare.
This stage isn't just washing.
It's risk reduction.
Then, a controlled sanitation wash.
Sensors measure strength, temperature, and turbidity continuously.
Filters capture what doesn't belong.
Fresh rinse, so only clean apples continue.
Brushes reach every curve. Spacing prevents bruises, even in water.
Air knives sweep away droplets.
Dry fruit is safer for sorting, and it won't slip.
We don't hope it's clean, we prove it.
Sanitation is constant, scheduled, and verified.
CIP cleans inside, where eyes can't see. Cleaned, dried, ready for the eyes of the sorter. Now the pace increases, without losing control.
Apples spin, so cameras see every angle. This is where human vision becomes machine certainty.
Cameras detect color, shape, and surface defects.
Near-infrared reveals bruises beneath the skin, invisible to the eye.
Algorithms grade each apple, size, color, and quality signals.
In a blink, air jets guide the decision. Premium processing grade or reject.
Rejects don't disappear, they're documented. Waste is measured, causes are tracked.
In a smart factory, every defect becomes information.
Now the apples split into their destinies.
Line A for slicing, desserts, and cans.
Line B, where structure becomes smoothness.
Even the split is recorded.
Sorting is done. Now we transform.
This is the heart of apple transformation.
One by one. Perfectly placed.
Orientation. Then singulation.
Precision is everything. Mistakes are expensive. We trim stem and blossom ends. Cleaner slices and no bitter notes in puree streams. For dessert-ready slices, peeling is thin and consistent.
Some lines use control steam, then gentle removal.
Peel is collected separately. Nothing is wasted blindly. Coring removes the center cleanly. Sensors verify the core, so there are no surprises in the bite.
Clean blades protect clean fruit.
Thickness is calibrated for even cooking and consistent fill. We check width, breakage, and leftover core immediately.
Fresh cut apples oxidize fast. This dip slows browning and keeps the bite.
Repeatable, safe, and precise. Next, heat and packaging steps.
To make dessert-grade apples, we don't just pack slices. Syrup is sugar and water, measured, never guessed.
We stabilize with a brief heat step.
Tight time, tight temperature, so slices don't turn mushy.
We pack, we portion. Slices, then syrup, exact volume.
Underfills and overfills. Rejected instantly.
Lids on precisely.
Less oxygen. Better color. Longer life.
Now we lock safety in with heat and time.
Doors lock. Steam pressure rises.
A validated schedule makes it safe and stable.
No record, no release.
They emerge, hot and perfect.
Dessert-ready apples, consistent from the first can to the millionth.
On the second line, the apple becomes something else entirely.
We capture the apple's essence, flavor, aroma, natural sweetness.
The sound changes, thicker, heavier.
Milling and maceration make the pulp uniform.
Temperature is managed, so aroma stays bright.
For juice, we press the mash.
Juice flows out, while solids separate. Nothing is ignored. Even the solids become data.
First, we filter.
Centrifuges remove fine particles for a bright, stable product. Air is the enema of flavor, so we remove it. Heat, just enough for safety, not enough to flatten the apple.
Safety recorded in real time.
For sauce, we cook gently.
Screens refine texture. Lean texture, removing coarse fiber.
The factory doesn't just make applesauce. It makes repeatable applesauce. Bricks, acidity, viscosity, color, and microbiology.
Once apples become finished food, the mission shifts.
Containers are cleaned and verified.
Exact volume every time.
Caps torque, paint to specification. Dates and lot codes stamped cleanly. Protection begins with the wrap. Different packs, same discipline.
Now we protect with cottons and spacing.
Flawless repetition at speed. Every case identified. Stable pallets, built the same way, every time.
Wrapped so nothing shifts.
If a pallet moves, the system knows.
Cold holds what's sensitive. Ambient holds what's stable.
Everything is scanned. Everything is traceable. This is the final moment.
Before the doors close, we confirm everything.
A manifest prints lot codes must match.
Everything is traceable. Right to the dock.
Even now, we protect the product. From factory floor into the truck. Temperature confirms readiness. Now the truck carries transformation. The factory sounds fade, but the standard stays.
Somewhere far from here, a can opens.
A spoon finds warmth and familiar sweetness.
A bottle opens, and the orchard returns.
From dawn in the orchard to precision inside the plant.
To deliver apples that taste honest, clean, consistent, unforgettable.
And that is the whole process.